So we were thinking that the gentlemen who have graduated and are preparing to release into the community are going into a community that does business very different than when they entered our system. And so we thought that it would be good to have a workshop that addressed some of the things that they would be seeing in the community that would be different, and some of the terms that they would be encountering, like social distancing and new normal and flatten the curve. Because our overall goal is for the gentlemen to have a smooth transition, and when their community looks different and they can't go places that they used to be able to go, and there's new restrictions like face masks and social distancing, and things aren't open as in their normal hours, and they can't access services or the way they used to be able to. So we thought a great way to do that is to invite them to a workshop and just talk it all out, and provide them with some examples on what they would be seeing, or what is happening and what stage our state is in, and what they need to be expecting from probation, health and welfare, as well as what jobs are open and what's happening in their communities, so that they are as prepared as possible, because we want them to be successful.
I got a lot of information because I've been down since before the coronavirus hit. So I learned just about the community, how everything's going to go, because I've never been on felony probation before, so it's all new to me. So I learned that everything's pretty much called in, and then to get any doctor's appointments, things like that, you have to make an appointment, you have to wear a mask, the social distancing, from down to how grocery stores are operating and things like that. I think the workshop was very informative, just because there's a lot of people like myself, like I said, that were already incarcerated before the coronavirus hit. So knowing more about it, and there's a lot of unanswered questions I had. Overall, my stay here at CAPP hasn't been bad at all. I've been incarcerated in other facilities, and I feel like it was a good experience. The staff's really knowledgeable about things, even though they got dealt the hand they did with the coronavirus and everything like that, but everyone's really helping and willing to do their part in everything that goes on.